Well, we've seen the story. So many insurance companies are dropping California customers, and now a Citrus Heights viewer had home insurance, but just learned that his lender won't honor it anymore. And it was time to call KCRA 3 to investigate. And here's Curtis Ming with more.
Golson, much like you have a credit score, insurers get credit ratings. And we learned the rating for this viewer's insurance company, California Casualty Insurance, dropped from good to fair. Paul Chance notices home lender PHH Mortgage did not pay his insurance bill out of his escrow account as they usually do. And this letter explains why the lender indicated it would not accept his policy because his insurance company, California Casualty Insurance, does not meet the required carrier rating guidelines and does not have a 100% reinsurance endorsement. Reinsurance is essentially insurance that insurance companies have. So I reached out to California Casualty Insurance based in the Bay Area, which confirms due to a slight change in our rating back in mid-2023 and outgrowth of the extraordinary natural disasters of the last few years, a small percentage of California Casualty customers have been impacted. While most lenders still accept that credit rating, the insurer's CEO admits the rating does not meet standards for Freddie Mac-backed mortgages. But then Paul's situation got even more confusing because after he called his lender, they ended up paying his insurance bill. So are they honoring his insurance or not? He didn't know.
That's my main concern. I've never had any problems with this mortgage company in the past. I've never had any problems with the insurance company. To treat us like this is just unacceptable.
Well, we reached out to PHH Mortgage, and they won't comment on individual cases, but they do say if they paid an insurance premium out of an escrow account, then they will honor that insurance. So it looks like Paul's covered until his insurance must get paid again. The insurer, California Casualty, says right now it's working very hard to bring up its credit rating.
Well, it's so confusing.
Yes, it is.
It is such a minefield with insurers that aren't covering anymore. And so with all these insurers out there that are getting stretched, paying the claims for California's fire. So what do regulators here say about it?
You know, it's a good question. We wondered if we could see more of this, especially with all these claims getting paid out. And the Department of Insurance says this is the first time they've heard of an issue tied to a downgraded credit rating of an insurance company. But they say anybody struggling to find insurance should call them. You could also chat with them directly through their webpage, and I will link you to their webpage at kcra.com.
It's just really eye-opening because we've covered so many stories on just people having trouble getting insurance.
Yeah. And he has it.
Once you have it, to know that maybe that's still not enough.
And his big thing, he did nothing wrong. He's paid his mortgage, he's paid his insurance on time, and he's not happy with the way he was treated.
Yeah, we can understand why. And you had to get the answers.
I mean, and we did.
As a customer. Yeah, thank you.